Hey, what's up everybody? It's Chris Young from Gander RV and Outdoors. Today I am inside a 7-foot interior height 2020 Thor Daybreak 22GO. Thor, when you see motor coaches on the road, one of every 4 that you're gonna see is a Thor motor coach. So you know when you buy one of these, you're getting quality, you're getting a great standard to live in. And since Daybreak you can only find at Gander RV and Outdoors, what better place to combine the two? So let's start right here in the living room. Got the nice big dinette, which also doubles as a safety seat because they do have seat belts on both sides. But this does reduce down and become a bed. You could probably get 2 people sleeping on there, definitely 2 kids, maybe 2 adults. Large window right there, plenty of storage throughout this coach, and the solid wood cabinets. Look at the deep well and the high well space in there. You got a little suspension netting right there, plus a USB charger. But the thing that's great about Class C's, they have bunk over cabs. Some of them are rated anywhere from 500 to 1,000 pounds, but that is definitely a space big enough to sleep 2 people with the cup holders and the large swivel arm entertaining TV. So whether you're laying in the bed or sitting in the dinette, playing cards, just hanging out, watching TV, you can move this around for wherever you need it. And then when you're done, just push it right back. We come around, we got more storage right up overhead here. This is also where the back of the connections are for your cable, your satellite, so forth and so on. Generator control here. And we come to the kitchen area. And the thing I really like about these 22GOs, this is a 24-foot long camper. So you can get this in just about anywhere. You're not gonna have any issues driving it. You're not gonna have any issues getting it into state parks, the Walmarts of the world, the Targets of the world, the Gander RVs of the world. You can get them in wherever you want to go. Single basin sink. This does double as a cutting board for you as well. High-rise faucet with the shower nozzle there. Got the recessed 3-burner stove with the glass top, which also doubles as a splash. And I'm just a big fan of how they do the grill grating here. Another nice feature that you're seeing a lot more of are these accent LED lights. Great for a night light, especially if you don't want to cut the lights on, wake the kids up, wake the friends up, this, that, and the other thing. More storage up above your microwave, which is also recessed. You got a 7 cubic foot fridge right here. And this fridge does double both gas and electric. And as you can see, you got plenty of room for your drinks, the kids' drinks, whatever you may need, as well as good freezer space. And a lot of people kind of pick on me, but I'm a fan of when you're driving, if someone has to get up and use the restroom, guess what? This unit has no slide. So the restroom is easily accessible, no matter on the road, off the road, set up, wherever you want to go, you can get there. Even has a little kickstop. Got your hangers right here if you want to put your robes, your towels, whatever. And as you can see, plenty of room inside here for legroom. Yes, this is no slide. 24-foot Class C. Ceramic bowl, foot flush. Lots of space inside the shower as well. And as you can see with the skylight, that really makes it easy. You're not bumping your knuckles on the roof if you're trying to wash your hair or hunker down. I got elbow room. I got height room. I got countertop room here with the nice brush nickeled sink and the steel fixtures as well. Medicine cabinet with a lot of space and this nice accent here on the bathroom. Really gives it a homey kind of feel. We move over to the master bedroom, and of course you got charging ports up here. You got charging ports on the sides as well, and storage, storage, storage. So space enough for 2 adults or a couple of kids, but the thing that's really nice about these, the privacy curtain. Sure, it's not a door, but you want privacy? That's great. So if you got a few folks that you're taking on the road, you want to save money on travel, save money on hotel bills, and you just want to get up and go see the family, get up and go to the mountains, get up, go to the beach, just get up and go. We're in a 22GO. So let's go outside and check it out. All right, so here we are on the outside of the 2020 Thor Daybreak 22GO. Now this is on the Chevy chassis. It has the 6-liter Chevy Vortec engine in it, good power, good passing speed. But if you take a look down the entire side of this motor coach, you're gonna see the nice graphics. It just has a good look when it's on the road or set up, and the Daybreaks you're only gonna get here at Gander RV and Outdoors. You got the large extended mirrors, 15-foot awning with the LED lights underneath, solid grab handle. And here's another feature that I like about the Daybreaks. Got the rubberized steps, and they are lit. So at night, when you're coming back in, you're not gonna be slipping and tripping. Got your fire extinguisher right there. We move along to some of the access panels. Here we have the propane tank. As you can see, everything's nice and labeled, so it's easy to read, easy to function. Back of the fridge, got your power outlets so that if you're outside grilling, got your boom box going, you can entertain, plug in, charge your cell phone, this, that, and the other thing. Storage underneath, of course, this is what I like to call the wet storage, roadblock, rotorized. Got, it's covered, so if you're gonna throw your hiking shoes in there, your wet stuff, your tackle box, maybe even your fishing lures, your fishing rods, it's okay. They're fine right there, not gonna hurt anything. Save the dry stuff for up here. That's where if you wanna put your beach towels, your beach chairs, the whole nine, you can get it there. We got the black sealed tinted windows all the way around this unit. Just once again, adding to that nice look and feel of the Thor Daybreak. Solid ladder mounted to the back, which gives you really good, easy access. And if you notice, the handles go all the way over the top of the coach, giving you extra security when you're climbing up. 4x4 storage hose right here. These are rated. These hitches can tow up to 8,000 pounds. So if you want to bring your car on the trip with you, you sure can. Backup monitor, which if you notice, when we go around to the inside, you'll see the touchscreen dash. That's where your backup camera is. Come back over here to where your dump tanks are. Sewer connection, wastewater holding tank, so forth and so on. Everything, once again, easily, nice labeled, very easy to access. There's your unleaded fuel pump, your 30 amp service plug. These are also solar ready. This is a cable connection, but if you have solar panels, you can get solar connection on these as well. Back of the furnace. And of course, it comes with a quiet running Onan 4,000 watt generator, which really comes in handy when you set up and you need to go for a couple of days. That's going to give you the power to do it. Now we look inside the cab and we're going to see right there the touchscreen, Chevy chassis, nice cloth seats, grab handle, cup holders, the whole nine. So if you've been thinking about upgrading that camping experience, say your family's on one side of the country, spouse's family's on the other side of the country, why not save the travel bills? Don't buy the hotel, don't buy the plane ticket. Come check out a Class C Motorhome at Gander RV and Outdoors. We'd love to show you these Daybreaks. They're great, they're small, 24-foot long, easy to handle, and that bathroom you can access while driving. Yep, not pulling over, kids, hit the back. I'm Chris Young for Gander RV and Outdoors. Thank you so much for spending time with me today. I look forward to hearing what you have to say, not only about this 2020 Thor Daybreak 22GO, but also some of your camping experiences. Leave us a comment, leave us a like, share it. Tell us, where would you take this and what would you like to do in it? I'll look forward to hearing from you soon.